Hello and welcome to Isaan Flicks. It has been rather a wet week here in Warin Chamrap in Ubon Ratchathani, Thailand, in the region known as Isaan. Last week, well in fact May the 13th, marked the official start of Thailand's rainy season, or the monsoon season. However, actually we had a rather wet and windy April with thunder and lightning storms, but then they were called summer storms. So have the rains come early this season, or is it really situation normal for the time of year? Usually, the rainy or monsoon season in Thailand occurs between July and October. The rain can be heavy but inconsistent in the first couple of months, which is April, May and June, but becoming more persistent between July and October. But nothing is really certain. August is typically the wettest month all around Thailand, but again, that's not guaranteed. However, April and May are the hottest months. As I said, the monsoon season officially starts in May through to October, although some rainfall is expected in April, which we had, but the rain showers do little to lower the temperatures. Generally, heavy downpours, sometimes with thunder and lightning, can occur almost anywhere in Thailand during May. It does not rain all day, every day, but you can also count on plenty of blue skies and sunshine. During June to October, you can expect short periods of rainy weather, sometimes longer with heavy downpours coupled with thunder and lightning, which mainly occur in the afternoons, but these heavy downpours can occur almost at any time, day or night. Of course, the weather in Thailand does differ quite a lot depending on the region and the time of year. Lightning and thunderstorms can pass over an area or region rather quickly at times without any rainfall, as rain is never guaranteed. As I mentioned, there is still a lot of sunshine during the rainy season, so it is always nice in Thailand, whatever the weather. So don't let the prospect of rain put you off holidaying in Thailand during the monsoon season. At the moment, and recently, we have been having thunderstorms with short downpours followed by persistent light rain that keeps the water lying in the local fields and paddies topped up. This of course is making the ground very soggy, muddy and at times slippery underfoot. But after all, it is the rainy season. That's about it for today, and as always, if you like this short video, please hit the like button, share the video, leave me a comment and subscribe to the channel to ensure not to miss out on our other videos. However, to finish up this video, I do have to say that I have a very strong feeling that with the rains coming so early this season, there may well be a lot of flash flooding in Isaan this season. This being due to the ground being well soaked. It's just my opinion for what it's worth, but time will tell, as it all depends upon what Mother Nature brings.
that really is it for now. So until my next video, it is a very goodbye from me.